Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from HoneyBook app to your bank step by step clearly. Open your HoneyBook app. Log into your account. From the dashboard, locate the Payments section. Tap on Payments to view your transaction history. Select the payment you wish to withdraw. Once you've selected the payment, look for the Withdraw button. Tap on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. Choose your bank account from the list provided. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, select Add a bank account. Enter your bank account details as prompted. Confirm the information you've entered is correct. Proceed to the withdrawal confirmation screen. Review the withdrawal details carefully. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm Withdrawal. You will see a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Withdrawals typically take 3 to 5 business days to process. Check your bank account for the deposited funds during that time. For any issues, navigate to the Help section in the app for support. Your transaction is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.